Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Buzz, and today's video will be about Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus first look and impression. And I would like to thank Digit. Without their help, it would not have been possible. The packaging looks nice with the change in S10 Plus design. Inside the box, we get the device itself. Let's have a look inside the box contents. You get AKG tuned earphones and the wires are braided, good to see it. Charging brick, USB OTG adapter, charging cable, hard case, SIM ejector tool and some documentation. The variant we have here is 8GB and 128GB ceramic white finish in the back. The side frame is made of stainless steel, and in the other color variants the finishing and the color changes and it looks amazing. Talking about the physical overview, on the right we have power on and off button which has a tactile finish. To the left we have got volume rockers and Bixby button which you can customize as your wish. At the top we have secondary mic and a hybrid SIM card tray, that is dual nano SIM card, or you can insert memory card and a nano SIM card. At the bottom we have 3.5mm headphone jack and USB Type-C port and a primary mic. Talking about the camera, at the back we have triple rear camera setup with dual aperture 12 megapixel wide angle camera with f1.5 to 2.4 and has EIS, and 12 megapixel telephoto camera and 16 megapixel ultra wide camera with flash and heart rate sensor. This time a lot of work has been done at the back. Talking about the front camera, we have 10 megapixel with f1.7 aperture and 8 megapixel selfie camera, good for selfie lovers. Display, it comes with 6.4 inch quad HD display with Infinity O panel which comes with dynamic AMOLED display with HDR10 certification. This means display adjusts accordingly when the contrast and color changes to have the best view, and the color pop out from video and photos are just amazing. The glass comes with Gorilla Glass 6 protection both for front and back side, so no chances of getting scratches. That's amazing. Talking about the software, it comes with One UI which obviously runs in Android 9 Pie, and the phone also supports two-way reverse charging, and that's great. This device comes with ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and is different and reliable from other in-display fingerprint sensors. As you can see in the video, the unlock time is very fast and it unlocks quickly. It also supports wireless charging. You just have to go to notification panel and have to turn on the power share option. You can charge any wireless charging supported device by just placing it over the phone in the back side, as you can see in the video, and this is a cool feature I like the most. S10 Plus comes with 4100 mAh massive battery which supports 15 watt fast charging. Lastly, talking about the processor, it comes with Exynos 9820 processor, octa-core processor which is processed at 8 nanometer process, clocked at 2.7 GHz plus 2.3 GHz plus 1.9 GHz. Talking about the impressions, the device is good. It comes with the handy features, and this is an Indian unit which is priced at 73,900. Thank you for watching guys. Stay tuned for more awesome videos like this.